me see. Say hi.
Hi.
Say cheese.
Cheese.
How you cold? Hey, walk forward. Don't walk like that. You're gonna fall. Go, walk forward. You can't shove it out because it's too much snow. Yeah, it's too much snow. Gotta walk back then. Hey, stop. Oh my God. The snow is crazy. Well, we'll just wait until Monday, okay?
Yeah.
Because you can't dig out. We need people to plow this thing. This is, let's see, that's a driveway all the way over there. And none of it has been shoveled. So, you get that. You can't get the car out. You have no gloves. Your hand will be all red. Let's see that way. Oh my God. It's just the driveway has been shoveled. It's crazy. You gonna play with the snow a little bit?
Yeah.
Okay. You have no glove, Alex. You're gonna get cold. I don't know, man. We gotta walk to the store or something.
Maybe we can go outside first.